Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now select Files, and over here you can tap on one of your recent ones, select one of those apps, or tap on this button with 3 lines at the top left corner and pick one of your sources. Whatever you do, you can also tap on audio and video filters above. Finally, when you find your file that you wish to add, you need to hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!